the word and, to refer to the physical part of the body. Hand gesture, hand movement, raise your hand. And he made a hand gesture to signal the end of the meeting. The dancer's hand movement was graceful and fluid. If you have a question, please raise your hand to indicate the act of giving or passing something. Hand over, hand me, hand it to. Please hand over the keys when you leave. Can you hand me that book from the shelf? And hand it to her. She deserves all the credit for the success. To express help or assistance. Lend a hand, give a hand, help out with a hand. He offered to lend a hand with the housework. The teacher was always ready to give a hand to her students, and volunteers helped out with a hand in setting up the event. To indicate a role or involvement, and hand in, hand at, hand with. She will hand in her report tomorrow. He tried his hand at painting but preferred photography. I will hand with the final preparations for the presentation to describe a set of skills or abilities. Right hand, left hand, strong hand. And she's my right hand in managing the team. And he's naturally a left-hand writer, and he plays the guitar with his strong hand.